Hey there, welcome to my video. My name is Diana and in this video I am going to review the Samsung Q9U dynamic microphone. But before I do, let's roll the ASMR unboxing. The Samsung Q9U is a dynamic broadcast microphone with XLR and USB connectivity. You can connect it to your laptop or gaming PC. The Q9U features a 24-bit to 96 kHz analog to digital converter for vibrant and high definition digital recording directly to your Mac or Windows computer. This includes zero latency headphone monitoring to allow you to hear your voice in real time. The Q9U is actually a cardioid microphone. In short, this means that it's sensitive to sound coming from the front and blocks sound coming from the sides and back. So for example, if I talk to you directly at the front of the microphone as I'm doing right now, you can hear my voice clearly. But then when I try and move to the sides of the microphone, my voice somewhat distorted. And it does sound like I am kind of far away from the microphone, which in fact I am at the sides of it. But then when I try come back to the front of the microphone, you can hear my voice very clearly once again. So that is basically what it means. Samsung does say that this microphone is excellent for podcasting, broadcasting, streaming, music production, live sound and voiceovers. And I think from what I'm hearing now with this microphone, I actually like it. So what do you get in the box? You get the microphone itself with a non-removable yoke mount, a foam windscreen, a USB-A to USB-C cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and assorted paperwork. It does not come with the microphone stand, so you will have to buy that separately, and it does not come with an XLR cable, so you will need to sort that out separately. The Q9U is sleek and heavy-duty microphone. As soon as I took it out of the box, it did feel heavy, but I don't mind that. It does look professional and it feels professional. It has a mute button at the top near the bottom, and as you turn the mic around at the back, you can see a mid-range switch. This switch provides a boosted mid-range presence in your audio. There is also a low cut switch, and when this is engaged, it will cut low frequencies such as muddy or too bass heavy sounds, and it will brighten the sound up. Now let's go ahead and test that out. Okay, so this is test 1. I have the mid-range and low cut both off, so they're not engaged at the moment. And this is how the audio sounds. Okay, so I've got the mid-range on now and the low cut off. And this is how the audio sounds. Alright, so I've got the low cut on and the mid off. And this is how the audio sounds. And now I have both the mid and the low cut on. So they're both engaged at the same time. And this is how the audio sounds. So how did that sound, guys? So right now I have the mid on because I heard the recording back. And I actually like when the mid range is on. It kind of feels like a professional, like you're recording in a professional studio, which I kind of like. So I'm going to leave it like this. You have to also bear in mind that I have not touched anything. This is only connected via USB to my laptop, my HP laptop. I don't have any settings on, nothing. So this is raw recording. Now I am going to test the plosive sounds from this microphone. Right now I do not have the foam windscreen on, so I'm going to test this out now. Peter is going to pick up the car. Peter is going to park the car. Peter is going to park the car. And now I have the windscreen on. Peter is going to park the car. Peter is going to park the car. Peter is going to park the car. Did you see any difference with the foam windscreen on or without it? So at the beginning of this video, I did record it without the windscreen on. So let me know if there is any difference. Right now I am recording now with the foam windscreen on. Alright guys, so now let's test if we can hear background noise with this microphone. Now I'm going to stand in the corner of the room and move around, talk, bang on some objects and see if you can hear it. Hello, my name is Diana. I hope you can't hear me. I'm going to tap on some objects now. I'm moving around. Okay, let me play this back and see if I can hear any background noise. Alright guys, so I did just hear the recording back, and I must say that will be one of the cons that I will point out later on. You did hear background noise, you did hear me walking around, you did hear me bang on the table. This room is not small, it is a medium-sized room. You still did hear a lot of background noise. So yeah, I did buy this microphone because I really wanted this microphone to minimize the background noise, but I did hear it clearly. So yeah, I think you will need to record in a quiet room for this microphone. This microphone is also on the table with its stand, and when you do bang on the table, you can actually hear a lot. You can hear the vibration, you can hear me tapping, so that's one of the cons as well. I cannot test the XLR connectivity because I don't have the whole setup, so this review is only based on the USB connectivity. So yeah, okay, so I'm going to compare this microphone to an old microphone that I used before. So I bought this microphone on Amazon for like what, not £5, it was at £3 that time. It's just a portable little microphone that you just clip on your shirt. It is very, very cheap, but it did do the job for my last few videos that I posted on YouTube. So I'm going to do a little comparison and see if there is a sound difference between these two. Alright guys, so this is the cheap microphone. I hope you can hear a difference in the two types of microphones, but this is what I always use for my videos. You can comment down below which one you prefer, this one or the Q9U. So my overall thoughts on this microphone. I love this microphone. As a beginner, this microphone is the best for me and my YouTube videos. It is really, really nice. It's nice to look at. You feel like you're in a professional studio. The only cons that I would say I have two is the background noise, and when you bang the table, you can actually hear the bangs through the microphone. So that's the only two things that are a downer. But apart from that, I love the sound. I love just everything about this microphone, to be honest. This microphone comes in at around £186 on Amazon. You will only get the head and also the foam windscreen. The other accessories such as the stand you'll need to buy separately, but I think that's a good price on Amazon. I don't really trust the other sites on Google, so I will leave the link to this product down below. I think if you're a beginner, I think you should go ahead and get this microphone. This is a really compact microphone. It sounds like you're in a studio. I just love the way it sounds. It makes your voice just stand out, and yeah, I do fully recommend this microphone. Alrighty, so this comes to an end to my video. I thank you all for watching, and I'll be back with more product reviews in the future. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.